Emotional Wellness Toolkit. Here are 5 coping strategies to include in your Emotional Wellness Toolkit. 1. Mindfulness and meditation. Practice mindfulness to stay present and reduce stress. Engage in meditation or mindful breathing exercises to calm the mind and regulate emotions. This practice helps build resilience against emotional challenges. 2. Journaling. Keep a journal to express and process your thoughts and emotions. Writing can be a therapeutic way to understand your feelings, identify patterns, and find solutions to challenges you might be facing. 3. Seek support. Don't hesitate to reach out for support when needed. Whether it's from friends, family, a therapist, or support groups, talking to someone about your feelings can provide validation and new perspectives.
4. Physical activity. Incorporate regular physical activity into your routine. Exercise releases endorphins, which can improve mood and reduce stress. Even a short walk or yoga session can have a positive impact on your emotional well-being. 5. Self-compassion and self-care. Practice self-compassion by being kind to yourself during difficult times. Engage in self-care activities that you enjoy, whether it's taking a bath, reading a book, or listening to music. Treating yourself with care and kindness is crucial for emotional wellness. Having these coping strategies readily available in your toolkit can help you navigate challenging situations and promote emotional well-being in your day-to-day life.